Hey folks, this is a response video to the Second Age of Reason, to Angelic, on his video, The Nature of Power. He posed some good questions, and this is not your normal what the fuck, but it sort of kind of is a what the fuck, but we're not going to post this one. He asked the questions about money to exist. Why do insects work together? Why do plants and everything and all of the animals and plants work together and they don't have money? It's called community. I remember a long time back, in my childhood, community got together and rebuilt a barn. And we did it within a month. We didn't do it for anything other than to help a neighbor. A neighbor who, well, some of us got fresh milk from. Whatnot. Some of us did it just to help, because it was a neighbor in need. Nobody asked us to do it. We just did it. Things are done back then for community or barter. We're trying to get barter going back in this area. Money, it's nothing. It's garbage. The U.S. monetary system is for shit. You look at the Native Americans. They worked as a community. They took care of each other because each other was going to take care of them. They worked as a community. We have gotten so far away from that. It's sad. A community, you took care of each other. I know, I'm rambling. That house on the hill taught me a lot. I've done a video on it before where we had the horseshoe tornado and it took the top off the barn. And literally, well, within a month of Sundays, we had that barn back up. And we had it restocked. And we had a barn dance. That's what's missing today, my friend. It's just the sense of community. And maybe the sense of barter. I know many people that brought up lumber that wanted, just all they asked was a couple of calves to replace, you know. Okay. I know people that put in labor and all they asked for was just for some fresh milk for a month or two. What? That's going to be about 4 or 5 gallons of milk. It's really not going to hurt a farmer. not a milking farm. We've really stepped away from those values. And the government has pushed us away from those values. I read somewhere, well, what is it, Michigan. This guy has a pig farm, but they're not native pigs, and they're considered to be feral pigs. But he's got them penned in and whatnot, and the federal government came in and destroyed all his pigs, his sows, his hogs, the piglets. Can't have that. I've been seeing where out in California, I believe Oregon, Washington, farmers markets have been raided because people are offering fresh milk. God forbid we should have fresh milk. Right in this area, the wife and I do barter eggs for homemade bread. It's not store-bought bread, and these are free-range eggs, birds. I'm going to have to, at some point, go out to his place and do a video of this. He's got a coop that's quite unique. He breeds rabbits and has laying hens, and he's got coops where the rabbits are overhead and the chickens are down below, and well, he gets fertilizer, he gets eggs, he gets rabbit meat, well, he gets bird meat. And it's quite good stuff. We deal with this guy all the time. And it's all barter. There's no money. Nope. None of this fiat currency exchanges. We exchange for goods. The wife bakes. We get fresh meat. We get organic meat. You don't need currency. Anywho, I'm coming to the end of the tape, so peace.